Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will going to show baby dresses designing ideas and baby dresses designing ideas and traditional baby dresses designing ideas. I hope you like this design. Watch this video till end. Viewers, see, this design is very amazing. A front view of this design is this, and very beautiful baby frock this is, and this is the back side of the design. Princess baby gown 536 free hairband. Ready to stock is stock में available है. If you want to buy this, then visit this page baby dress collection and buy this designing. Viewers, this design is also very beautiful, same as the previous designing ideas, and color is red and it is very beautiful, and this design is same as the previous and its also color is white. This color is different from each other. See, this floral design is very beautiful. If you want to buy this, ask in comment. I will give you a link of this page and you buy this design from this page. See, this design is very beautiful. If you want baby traditional dresses design, then visit this page. In this page all the traditional design is available. This design is in color blue, pink and red shade. This design is also very beautiful, and review of this design is very beautiful. This is available in stocks in all the sizes. If you want to buy handmade and if you want to buy order it, then ask in comment section. I will teach you how to order it. All the traditional design are available and all the color is available in this design. This green color is very beautiful and very amazing, as you see. Baby is comfortable, feel comfortable in this design, and I hope you also like this design. If you want more design like this, ask in comment. I will upload more design like this for you. Most of the viewers ask in comment section to show a baby boy design. So viewers, this is available on in baby boy design. बाजू राया कुर्ता कॉली वाला सेट है पूरा. If you want to buy this night suit and baby kurta design, ask in comment. It's available in color gray, pink and red, blue, red, green. This page name is baby dress collection. This is Sarkozy set. If you want to buy, with all the prices of these dresses design is very cheap. This frock is very beautiful. Princess baby gown design 582 free hairband. A hairband is available in this design also, as you see. It is available in red color, pink color, white color. Viewers, I hope you like this design. Which design you like more, ask in comment section. Take care viewers. I hope you like this video and share this video. Subscribe my channel and also press bell icon and press option all to get my daily routine videos. Allah Hafiz.